The modern market for crypto continues to expand. The rise of smart contracts and new DeFi products have continued to weaken Bitcoin's cryptocurrency market cap dominance. This trend can result in a smart contract blockchain surpassing Bitcoin as the big dog in the space. Don't worry, this doesn't change Bitcoin's ability to store value, but newer products can do more than just store value. So we will see the top 5 altcoins of 2022 that are worth investing according to market experts. But remember, this is not finance, so do your own research before investing. And welcome back to your channel, Crypto World. So without any further delay, let's get started. Our first altcoin in the list is Ethereum ETH. It's hard to imagine the crypto space without Ethereum. Since Ethereum was released in 2015, the majority of cryptocurrencies were created using Ethereum smart contracts. Smart contracts are also a misnomer, as they do not need to be smart or contracts at all. In reality, smart contract is a simple term for any piece of code that runs on a blockchain. The difference between Bitcoin and Ethereum is simple. Bitcoin is a ledger. Ethereum is a ledger plus a computer. By adding a computer to a blockchain, you can create blockchain-based applications like new tokens, NFTs, lending markets, exchanges, and more. Space on Ethereum's computer is limited in order to make sure that all the miners can keep a full record without needing to purchase their own personal data center. This keeps the blockchain decentralized, more difficult to take over, and therefore secure. Ethereum's security is highly valued by the market, as is evident with Ethereum's high fees. The fees are based solely on supply and demand for space on Ethereum's computer blockchain at any given moment. High fees are not a signal of weakness, but of strong demand. This is an issue for many retail traders, however, who are priced out of using Ethereum. The race to help Ethereum scale is ongoing, and some of the best projects working on this will be included down the list. Long story short, the Ethereum blockchain is the foundation and home of most blockchain activity today due to its superior security. The whole Ethereum network is powered by a native asset, Ethereum ETH, which reflects demand for the blockchain itself. If Ethereum continues to provide the best security for high-value applications, you shouldn't be surprised if demand for Ether rises as well. Chainlink LINK. Chainlink aims to provide valuable, real-world data to smart contracts on Ethereum and other blockchains. This could result in thousands or millions of new blockchain applications made possible by the use of Chainlink's data. While bringing real-world data to the blockchain may seem trivial, at first, the goal of Chainlink is to provide trustworthy data without the need to trust anyone, otherwise there's no difference from Web 2. At its core, Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network, DON. An oracle is a fancy term for a source of trustworthy information. A calculator is a math oracle. The trick is sourcing the data in a decentralized manner, and the reason that Chainlink needs to use blockchain tech. In short, Chainlink allows for many entities to give an answer to one question and returns the answer provided by the majority of responders. These entities must stake Chainlink's native asset, LINK, for the opportunity to answer questions. Those who respond correctly are paid. Any who respond maliciously will be penalized from their stake. These rules are hard-coded into the protocol and allow for Chainlink to work at scale. Many legacy applications like insurance and real estate funding could benefit from on-chain execution. Currently, insurance is slow and manual, but payouts could be automated with smart contracts. Additionally, on-chain exchanges like Uniswap could benefit greatly from having trustworthy pricing information for off-chain assets like the US dollar. This could allow for users to change between fiat and crypto using only their Ethereum wallet address as their identity. Sushi. Sushi is a blockchain-based exchange just like Uniswap. In fact, Sushi began by copying and pasting Uniswap's entire codebase, which is public on the blockchain. Since then, Sushi has launched a suite of DeFi products and applications like lending, farming, and staking, all of which Uniswap has not done. The story from Sushi's creation to where it is today is almost unbelievable. The project's original creator left without a trace, taking millions of dollars with them. The community refused to let this be the end of the story, however, and banded together to turn Sushi from a ripoff to a top 10 DeFi protocol with over $2 billion locked in its smart contracts. They are also launching a decentralized NFT platform, which many hope will have less issues than OpenSea. While there is still some controversy surrounding Sushi's core team, including a leader who recently left on bad terms, the project is certainly one to keep an eye on in 2022. Uniswap's core team is currently under investigation by the SEC, which presents a huge risk for its UNI token. Sushi is not the target of any investigations right now, but this risk cannot be taken lightly. Luckily, thanks to Ethereum's decentralization, the SEC cannot stop either of the exchange protocols from running. Stellar Lumens XLM. Stellar, a decentralized platform for uniting the world's various banking systems, uses different disconnected payment methods, HHCPA, STESPI, etc. Stellar's network connects these systems through a decentralized ledger with on-off ramps for every payment method. Stellar's closest competitor, Ripple, faces SEC investigation. Stellar has a prime opportunity to seize the moment and take its best shot at becoming the global payment network. To prevent spam on the Stellar network, users must pay a transaction fee and meet a margin requirement in Stellar's token, Lumens XLM. Solana Sol. Solana is a smart contract blockchain with an active DeFi ecosystem and over $10 billion locked in protocols. Many see Solana and other smart contract blockchains as Ethereum killers. Others see the demand for blockchain products growing to the point where many of the largest smart contract blockchains can be simultaneously fully utilized. Regardless of which outcome happens, there's likely to be a significant amount of innovation happening on the Solana blockchain thanks to its deep-pocketed VC backing. Solana has been embraced by Sam Bankman-Fried and the FTX team, who certainly have the funds to ensure the success of the blockchain. While many financial applications require the security of a heavily decentralized blockchain like Ethereum, blockchain gaming and other applications make more sense on a high-throughput, low-fee chain such as Solana. Solana's native token is SOL, which is required to interact with the blockchain. Concluding all that, Bitcoin can certainly be your introduction to the crypto industry in the same way that buying a share of Apple is an easy introduction to the securities market. However, there is so much more under the surface. This could be the year that many altcoins hit prime time. As people begin to understand altcoins through their real-world use cases, you can bet that their implementation will rise with the price of their currencies and tokens. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, peace out.